Hello, this is Impensario. Right now, he's a new horse to me. I've only had him for probably approximately 3 weeks. He comes from my sister and my brother-in-law, and they've had him since he was 5 months old. I think he's either 10 or 12. I can't really remember exactly what they said. But anyway, the problems that I'm having with him is when he's walking, or if I pick up the closest front hoof to me, somewhere on this leg, it makes a popping sound, and I'm trying to figure out if this is something that's normal. Nothing looks swollen or out of place. I'm going to try to get it to make the sound. We'll see if it will. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. And of course it didn't. But I guess how I can, I just did it, and of course I was talking. But I guess well, that was my knee. I guess how you would describe it is like, well, I just bent down and my knee just popped. I don't know if that's something that is supposed to happen, and am I being overly protective? I'm going to try one more time to see if I can get it to, if it'll make the sound. Let's see. Up. And of course it didn't.